We are pleased to show you the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, advanced technology package, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, security system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.